What's going on, everybody? Welcome to CS5 Unmasked. Today we're going to be doing another fan unboxing video, and I have 3 items here that we're going to be opening up, and we're going to be looking at the contents. Now, this particular one, I already did open up, and then I realized it was actually a fan package, so I went and sealed it back up and left it on the table. My girlfriend, who lives with me currently, wrote my name on it, so she didn't get it confused with any packages that she was receiving, but I didn't look inside. I didn't see any of the contents or whatever. Once I realized it, I folded it back up and put tape on it. Okay, so we got 2 packages here and then a letter. Now, I went and crossed out the name on this particular letter because, well, I don't want the whole world knowing the individual nor the individual's address. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up this particular letter, and we're going to see what the contents inside are. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use this big old thing because I don't got a letter opener. Now, I've never used this to open up mail, so hopefully I don't destroy the contents on the inside. So, looks like it's already been opened a little bit here. Actually, you know what? I'll just be super careful. I don't want to destroy anything in there. I probably could just tear it with my fingers, but I have this huge knife, so why not use it, right? All right, let's set that to the side so I don't cut myself. Okay, so it looks like, oh, we got some fan art here. Oh, dude, that's actually sick. Look at that. Oh, wow. You know, this looks like the Never Hike Alone mask. Yeah, it looks like the Ghost Jason Never Hike Alone mask. That's insanely cool. Oh, there's more. Okay, hold on. To one Jason fan, to another. The man behind YouTube. Oh, that is super awesome. So this is like the part 7 right here. And then this is me. That's actually me. So look at that. Look at that there. It's got a little hat that says CS5. You know what? I should probably make some hats that say CS5 on it. That is so awesome. Dude, I love this type of stuff. This is awesome here. All right, let me go ahead and read this real quick, and then as long as it doesn't got any personal information in it, I'll share it with you guys, but if it does, I'll keep it to myself here. Okay, so what it says here is it's, Dear CS5, I make fan films, and I love your channel. It would be an honor to be a fan of yours. We Jason fans must stick together. I hope you like the pictures, and see you soon. The man behind YouTube. Thank you so very much. Now, these particular photos, or I'm sorry, these particular pictures I am actually going to hang on the wall, and then I'll show you the wall when I'm done. Thank you so very much. This is simply awesome. I love this type of stuff. All right, so I got 2 more packages here. They do got a little bit of weight to them. It kind of like this one here. I can hear it. It sounds like it's glass or ceramic, and it sounds like it's broken. So this one sounds okay. We're going to move that to the side here. We're going to go ahead and open up this. I'm going to use the knife here. Okay. Oh, dang it. And yeah. Yep, it is broken. Okay, so this is a coffee cup. I can tell because it's in like several pieces. It looks like it was packed well. I just don't think that the Postal Service cared too much. Okay. Ah, man. Yeah. Okay. It is in pieces. Oh, it's destroyed. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what it is. It is a... Oh, no. It is a Jason coffee cup. Yeah, that's a shame, because I would have. I love drinking coffee, and so that's what it's supposed to look like, right? And then now it's in pieces. I can probably run and grab some super glue, and then maybe put this together. There's another little piece in here, and that goes right there. Okay. So thank you so much. If you want me to say your name, let me know in the comments below, and then I'll give you a little shout out there. So thank you again. I'm not going to be able to drink from this. Maybe after I super glue it, I might be able to drink from it. But yeah, thank you so very much. All right, now for the last one. I could already see that it looks like it was kicked or dropped a couple times. The corners are dented in. If you can see that, the corners are dented in. So Oh no. Okay. This sounds, I don't, you guys can't hear that, but it sounds like it's in like 400 pieces. Damn it. All right, what's the best? There's a lot of tape on this. Okay, so it's wrapped. Can you hear that? Yeah, it's something sounds not right. I don't know how to open this. Oh. Cool, okay. Oh my goodness. Yep, whatever it is, it's broken. Yep. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here's part of what, yep, part of a coffee cup. Here's the other part. Okay. Okay, it's a bag of pieces. Okay, there's a middle finger. Okay, that's cool. Oh no. Oh man. Okay, there's a bunch of little pieces. Okay, so again, the Postal Service let us down. So maybe let's not send ceramic stuff in the mail anymore. Okay, I'm gonna have to get some super glue, guys, and try to put all of these pieces together and see what we got. So okay, let me go grab some super glue, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back from the store. I picked up some crazy glue, which is the equivalent to super glue, and I'm going to go ahead and put these together. I'm not going to do it on camera. I'll go ahead and do it off camera, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so they're both together now. Now, the super glue worked well on this, but I was still missing some pieces, and I couldn't necessarily find it. But for some reason, the super glue wouldn't work on this too well, so I actually had to put a piece of tape on it just to kind of hold it in place. So yeah, this one actually is kind of neat. So when you're actually drinking out of the coffee cup, you take a sip, and then boom, it briefly states "Have a nice day." So yeah, okay. So let me go ahead and put these on the wall, and then I'll go ahead and show all of the new fan art I just received. Once again, I want to say thank you so very much. It really does mean a lot to me that you guys are showing your support in this way. So if you guys want to send me some fan mail and you'd like me to do an unboxing video on it, I'm going to leave my address in the description below, and feel free to send whatever you want. Just do not send any food or drink. I will throw that stuff away. Alright everybody, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.